Hello, good evening, traders. This is Visionaries speaking. I'm going to try and move as fast as I can to do some analysis. I think we might be having some kind of, what should I call it? Some kind of miracle happen. First of all, I'm going to start with USDY, the dollar index, to know what actually happened today. As you can see on the daily, we are about having a, what they call that, evening star on the daily candle, which is a good sign. And our RSI is overbought already, which is a good sign of a reversal. And if you go into the 4-hourly chart, I'm just waiting for us to make a break of this 4-hourly low. Maybe we'll break down like this, then we can find a way to start shifting to the downside to our next support, which is here. This is our next support. So if we break this, these are our daily support, these are our 4-hourly support. If we break this, definitely, if we break this down, definitely we know we're going to have a better chance of reversing to the downside. So for this video, I'm going to start with I'm going to start with Bitcoin. I'm going to start with Bitcoin first. I think Bitcoin has done well. The cryptocurrencies have done well more than the Forex and the indices. Okay, gold, as you can see on the daily charts, we have our support on gold here. We have our first support here. This is a 4-hourly chart. This is a 4-hourly shift, and we have another support here. Again, so what I'm looking at right now for gold. Sorry, let me try and find this part. Where are you? Okay, let me use my brush. What I'm looking at for gold is coming here. Sorry, let me use this. It's coming here, breaking it. They come back here to find the support and go back here to 1736. So if we can do this, we know we're shifting on gold the same way we're shifting on the dollar index also. Yeah, so this is what I have for gold right now. Then for Bitcoin have been holding this support at 19,000. We failed to break yesterday. I was thinking probably we're going to do this and come down, break it, come down with it. Since we're not having that and the dollar is breaking down already, I don't know what caused the event. But if I check my economic calendars for today, I think we have the retail sale for the AUD, which is very important and came out positive. We had the ECB President Lagarde speak today, which probably came out positive. Then let me check the dollars, which ones, the dollar retail sale equal. We had the Fed share speak, Fed share speak today, which is very important. We had the crude oil inventories. I trade crude these days, but I'm focusing on the markets that are trending either up or down. I trade. So for now, what I can see on Bitcoin, we are holding this 19,000 support very well. So if I want to analyze more, if I were to analyze this, I think definitely we might have a chance to break this channel, our parallel channel like this. So I'm looking at us coming to probably 21,000. I'm looking at us coming to 21,000. If we can break like this and go, we can go back to retest 25,000 mark before finding a means to shift structure, come down, break it, and come to 15,000. I'm still looking at the 15,000, but for the immediate short term, what I'm looking at right now, so I'm thinking since we're bouncing from here, we're coming back to test our 21,000 to see if we can break it. Let me show you how it's supposed to be. come here, come down, break it, come a bit, come down, break it, and break this. Also can break this 23,000 mark, come back down, do retest, then bounce from here again. Then we know we're coming to 25,000. I don't use indicators, I use pure price action. I guess you can come 25,000, then we'll know what to do from here. If we're breaking it, if we're breaking to the downside, definitely that's when I know that definitely we're breaking this. What's it called? If you find support at 19,000 again, then we can go. If we don't find support at 19,000, definitely something like this will happen. It might come like this, break, fake out, come down, break it, then find the means to come down like this, then break it, then we can come to 15,000. Then this is what I'm looking at for Bitcoin. Bitcoin has done, cryptocurrencies have done perfectly well, include especially Ethereum. So for now, I'm deleting all analysis on Ethereum since I'm seeing some changes on my, what's it called? So Ethereum will be the lead gainer on this since we did not break. So I think this is another form of, since we're going to bounce from here, thinking probably we'll do something like this, break it, come down, find the support, break this, and come to 2,400, where you can see our support here. Okay, coming. So I'll find the base here. If definitely, doing all this analysis, if the dollar is going to break down or retrace for the meantime, breaking our 4-hourly low, also breaking it already. If it closes in the next 2 hours, and we see our 4-hourly candle closes below this support, then I know definitely we'll bounce back. Probably we'll bounce back, then shift structure. We might bounce back like this, shift structure, come down, break it, retest, then we know that we're going for the daily. The daily definitely might likely bounce, like the analysis I'm giving on gold and Bitcoin. So let's go to the indices. Let's go to Nasdaq and see what we'll have on Nasdaq. I'm trying to move as fast as I can because of time. So Nasdaq, Nasdaq is a very, very good, is in a very, very good shape for me now. If we're going to have a double bottom here on the daily, that means I know that we're coming for this high and this high. So let me just mark it down for future purpose. This is a high and this is a high. So Nasdaq might get to 13,600 if we bounce from here today because of the dollars, the dollar index. So I'm looking at Nasdaq. So probably after this, what's it called? I'm going to take a trade on Nasdaq, a swing trade, whereby I'm looking at us coming to break here. We're probably coming down here. If we're not coming down there, probably break here, come down, retrace by 0.68 or 0.5, then break, test, and come here. This is what I'm looking at on Nasdaq. Then US30 flows with Nasdaq also. Nasdaq is very fast. US30 is a bit slow. Let me look at US30. If I got into US30, we're about to have a bullish or evening star on the US30, as you can see on the daily. So these are very good setup happening right now. Then EURUSD, something that happened on Bitcoin. Let me show you on EURUSD. EURUSD has been on this downward sloping channel. On this downward sloping channel for some time now, perfectly well. So these trades have been very, very nice trade. I've been on this trade for quite a while now, since I think I started this channel myself since the month of April, and I got it perfectly well. This was supposed to be something that was supposed to happen on Bitcoin for us to get $15,000 that happened on Nasdaq. Let me show you. As you can see, this is Bitcoin. You seen it? This was exactly what happened on Bitcoin. It broke like it happened on EURUSD. This was happening on Bitcoin. So I was looking at this pattern to play out on EURUSD. But as you can see, the euro is bouncing back and on fire. So probably what we need right now is get to a stage and retrace, then look for an entry on Euro USD. So I'll looking, there's no point entering right now. Definitely we'll get a retracement, probably something like this on Euro USD. Then from here we'll bounce and come here. So this is what I'm looking at on Euro USD, because we'll have a resistance right here. So this is what I should be looking at for Euro USD. So let me see, we'll come here, reverse, find support, come here. If we can't break it, definitely we might reverse, then break it, reverse like this, then come here. So I'm looking at here for my support on Euro USD. If the dollar index breaks down breaks the 4-hour and comes down to the daily. So this is my resistance on the daily. So these are very good setups coming. Only on what's it called, Bitcoin, I'm looking at a very, very high amount of money coming in. So I'm looking at we going from 19,000 to 21,000. Maybe we trace, break it, then definitely we're coming to probably $23,000. Come down to retest on our channel, what's it called, parallel channel, sloping, the downward sloping channel that has been come down, probably retest, then we know we're going 25,000 before we start our retracement back to $15,000. So this is all I have for what's it called? I have for gold, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Nasdaq, US30, as well as for our EURUSD. Then our pounds USD, these guys have been on a massive downtrend for a very long time right now. So let me not just go much. Definitely, if the pounds is going to bounce, our first support is 1.1741, and our second support, which is the 4-hour support, our second support comes at what's it called, 1.229. So for now, look for a retracement. If it bounces, we'll enter and start going. So all of them are against the dollar right now, and we're seeing bounces happening, especially on Euro USD. The bounce on Euro USD is very, very high. So I think I'll take Euro USD first. Then let me look at Nasdaq, the way it's moving. Then I'll take Nasdaq. Sorry. I prefer the US 30, which is Dow Jones, because Nasdaq is very, very fast. But I'm seeing a very, very good double bottom already on Nasdaq. If it stays like this and bounces like this, and I wait for a retracement on the 4-hourly and it bounces again, I'm looking at this to break. Once we can break this once we can break our 4-hourly, what's it called? Should I call it resistance? Come back and find probably a support here, then we can we can decide to go higher. But for now, we're getting a double bottom already on Nasdaq on the daily, as you can see. So be ready to trade that also. I think I'll stop for you. I don't know how long we've gone, but thank you and bye for now.